Hi everybody, this is JP and I'm in the Spiti Valley in northern India in the Himalaya, and I'm here as a tour medic for Blazing Trails tours, and I just wanted to give a little quick review, very fast review on the Adventure Spec Adventure Shirt, which I bought myself. I missed the deal on the the cheap 200 deal, so I bought the full whack, and I've worn it every day since I've been on this trip. I'm on day 8 now, and we've had temperatures from 8 degrees to 30, which I think we're getting close to now. The advantage that I find with this shirt that I really like is that I can wear it with nothing underneath, or a merino wool base, or a t-shirt, and I know that if I have a little slide, I know that I'm going to keep some of my skin, which makes a big difference. So part of my layering system is this, and then a mid layer, and then a waterproof if the weather gets bad. And we've had all sorts. We've had literally all sorts. Some of the trails, as you can see, are all unsurfaced. There's a lot of actually fast road sections as well, which really does make me feel a bit more comfortable when I'm wearing this shirt, knowing that I'm going to come away with as much of the skin as possible I can have. So far, I really do like this shirt. The body arm is all in the right place. I've took the chest piece out, partly because my rucksack's a bit tight on it, because I'm carrying some medical kit in my rucksack. But if I wasn't carrying as much kit, I'd definitely have it in. But I'll just give you a little show on where I am. This is the Spiti Valley, and if you see behind us, yeah, we've got all the other bikers in the group, and the tour's being led by Blazing Trails Tours, and it's absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. We're just ending up to over 5,000 meters now, so it's going to get a little bit hot and tough, I think. So right, I'll keep you posted. Later.